Hello everyone, this is YKS, your maths mentor. Welcome to my channel YKS Sri Sai. Today we will continue the matrix chapter. We have discussed about the definition of matrices and its types in my previous video. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.1 of NCERT Mathematics class 12 chapter 3 matrices. In that exercise 3.1 question number 1. If A is a matrix here given, we have to write the order of the matrix. We know from the definition in the first video learned, order of the matrix is, that is number of rows cross number of columns. Now we can notice here, we have 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, therefore 3 cross, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns, is 3 cross 4 matrix. So its order is 3 cross 4, therefore the order of the matrix is 3 cross 4. This is our answer. Now for the second one, the number of elements. The number of elements is very simple. See, we have 3 elements in this first column. Okay. So we know in these 3 rows, this row, each row we have 4 elements. And we have here 4 columns and 3 rows. So this is 3 into 4. That is, we have 12 elements. Next, we have to write down the elements here. A13. A13, the first digit represents the row number, second digit represents the column number. This is first row, third column. This is first row. See? First row, third column. 1, 2, 3. This is 19. Next, A21, that is second row, first column. That is 35. Next, A33, that is third row, third column. Third row, third column. Next, A24, that is second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column. That is 12. It's just like graph coordinates. A23, second row, third column. Second row, third column. That is 5 by 2. This is the answer for the first question. I hope you have understood this one. Now we will go to the next question. See, for just saving the time, I will just read the question. I may not write the question in full. Second question is, in a matrix, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? And what if it has 13 elements? So basically, first thing is, if a matrix has 24 elements, question number 2, a matrix has 24 elements. And what we are supposed to write is the possible order of this matrix. So the possible orders. Of the matrix which has 24 elements. See, simple, it can be a row matrix 1 cross 24. It can be a column matrix, that is 24 cross 1, or it can be 2 cross 12 matrix, or 12 cross 2 order matrix, or it can be 3 cross 8 or 8 cross 3 order matrix, or 4 cross 6 or 6 cross 4 matrix. Then 7 is not a dividing 24, 8 we already written, 9 not possible, 10 not possible, 11 not possible, 12 already we have taken. So 24 we already written. So these are the possible orders of a matrix having 24 elements. What if the matrix has 13 elements? Okay. Next, if the matrix has 13 elements, then the possible orders are very simple. We can see 13 is a prime number, so it is divisible by only 1 and itself. Therefore, the possible orders are 1 cross 13 and 13 cross 1. This is the answer for the second question. Now we shall move to question number 3. Question number 3, I'll just read for you. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 8 elements? Question number 3. If a matrix has 18 elements, the possible orders or it may be 1 cross 18, 18 cross 1. It can be 2 cross 9, 9 cross 2. It can be 3 cross 6 or 6 cross 3. It will not divide by 4, it will not divide by 5, 6 we already finished, 7 no, 8 no, 9 we already written. So next it is 18 which we already written. These are the possible orders. What if has 5 elements? If the matrices or matrix has 5 elements, here again we can notice here 5 is a prime number, therefore the possible orders are 1 cross 5 and 5 cross 1. That's it. For prime number, prime number of elements, we can have only 2 orders when you arrange in a matrix. Now, this completes question number 3.